Configuring access control in PBCS. Access control allows us to manage and configure the level of access for each user within our PBCS application. We can also create a group of users and assign access to said group for efficiency. There are several levels of access, also known as roles. Viewer is typically given to executives and management. This role simply allows for one view data and analyze it through data analysis tools. Import data through forms and submit for approval. Also has access to rename and modify contents in the repository. Power user, this role has the same level of access as user and viewer, as well as the ability to modify and configure forms. This role can also manage security, business rules, data loads, report configuration, and approvals. Service administrator, this role has the highest level of access. It encompasses all abilities mentioned previously. Service administrators can also configure modules as well as grant others security and access. Step 1. Select access control within Navigator. Step 2. Managing groups. The Manage Groups tab allows us to create groups, assign individuals to each group, and assign a role to each group. In the example above, our group name is Analyst, and we're given the ability to add users to our group. After configuring appropriately to our choice, we click on Save and proceed to the next step. Managing Users. The Manage Users tab allows us to view each user's login details. We can also edit each user to display their assigned groups. Assigning Application Roles tab allows us to assign application-specific roles to each user. It is important to note that power users and service administrators already possess all application-specific roles. Thus, this would only be beneficial for users and viewers. Access control reports. There are 3 reports that we can export from Excel from access control. Each report is its own tab within access control. Role Assignment Report displays the level of access role for each independent user. User Login Report displays the time and date for the last login of each user. Also displays the IP address from which each user accessed the application. User Group Report displays what group each user is associated to, as well as the user's email and login. And don't forget to join us for our Open Mic series. Every Wednesday and Friday from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Central Time, we answer your questions on cloud computing.